Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the Amazon Basic Care Maximum Strength Mucus DM, a cough suppressant and nasal decongestant that is making waves in the world of over-the-counter medications. The Amazon Basic Care Maximum Strength Mucus DM is a powerful medication that contains dextromethorphan HBr and guaifenesin. With 1,200 mg of guaifenesin and 60 mg of dextromethorphan hydrogen bromide, this product is designed to tackle your toughest cold symptoms and provide relief from coughing and chest congestion. The active ingredients in this product are comparable to the leading brand, providing effective relief from cough and congestion. The extended-release formula offers 12-hour relief, making it convenient for use throughout the day or night. It acts as a cough suppressant, helping to ease the impulse to cough and promoting restful sleep. The expectorant properties help to loosen and clear mucus, making coughs more productive and relieving chest congestion. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable cough suppressant and nasal decongestant, the Amazon Basic Care Maximum Strength Mucus DM is a top contender. With its powerful formula and positive customer reviews, this product is definitely worth trying out during cold and flu season. That's all for today's review on the Amazon Basic Care Maximum Strength Mucus DM. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on products like this one. Thanks for watching.